Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how to save LibreOffice Writer as a DOCX file. So when you are done with your document and you want to finish it, what you can do is pretty simple. You go here at the top right corner, to the top left corner, sorry, and click on File, and then go Save As. Now click on that and you will see here, as we did a few times like that. Now here you have file name and below is save as a type. So click on this and this window will, this drop down menu will open up. Now here we will see Word 2010 and 2007. So this 2007 is the modern type of DOCX, which is really widely supported. So almost everyone can open with that if you save in this way. Also, it's nice that you keep the original file from LibreOffice just in case. So when you set this Word 2007 and hit Save button, you will get this warning here. So about formatting or content that cannot be saved in the currently selected file. So go with use 2007 and now it's saved. So if I open up right here, this one here, it will open up in Word document. So read only for now, and like that. Now we have this our document in our Word. So as you can see, the text is a little bit different here because it's different formatting, but nothing much is different. So this is how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.